Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Tesla Powerwall firmware with the Tesla app, complete guide step by step clearly. To update your Tesla Powerwall firmware using the Tesla app, begin by ensuring your smartphone has the latest version of the Tesla app installed. Open the Tesla app on your device. Log into your Tesla account, using the same credentials linked to your Powerwall. Once logged in, navigate to the Energy section of the app. Here, you will find an overview of your Powerwall status. Look for a notification indicating a firmware update is available. If an update is available, tap on the notification for more details. Read through the release notes to understand what improvements or fixes are included in the update. Once you are ready to proceed, tap on the Update Now button. The app will prompt you to confirm the update. Confirm the update to begin the installation process. Your Powerwall will temporarily disconnect from the grid during the update. This process may take several minutes, so please be patient. During the update, you can monitor the progress in the app. Once the update is complete, your Powerwall will automatically reconnect to the grid. You will receive a notification in the app confirming the successful update. Check the software version in the settings to ensure it matches the latest release. Your Powerwall is now updated and ready to use with any new features or improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.